someone like me who is a skilled person, a visual artist, leverage on system building to create wealth? Amazing question. The attendees of the Money Matters Summit 2024 are amazing people. Guys, we had a great time, about 6 hours session with our audience where I hosted Dr. Olumide Emmanuel. We both spoke on how to make money as a business owner, as a career person, and also as an entrepreneur, how to manage money and multiply money. It was a great session. If you missed that training, you want to make sure you call the number on the screen right now or click on the link in the description below. Get your copy. Watch that video again and again. Write the step-by-step down and implement the process. And I can't wait to see you at the top. So here we go with the question. Number one, as a skilled person, you want to first make sure you settle your income. You see, there's a system for income generation and there's a system, or there are systems for wealth creation, building wealth. What I have discovered is that a lot of skilled people, they have not settled their active income. So in as much that if you have settled your active income, that is when you can successfully run the system of wealth creation. So what do I mean, Mr. Mayowa? For example, you are a freelancer, you are working for a company, you already have money to eat. Because when it comes to building wealth, the money you will need to eat is different from the money you will use to become big. You must know that. So having settled, I assume that you have settled systems for income generation. So how do you now build wealth? Systems. So there are various systems that I use. Currently, I run about 7 systems that is futuristic when it comes to me becoming a billionaire in dollars. So what are the things that you need to put in place? Number one, you must understand the difference between money, riches, and wealth. Riches means you have the money. A lot of time it's related to money. Wealth is related to asset. So it means that for you to be wealthy, the system you will implement are system that has to do with asset. And these assets are the things you can convert into financial forms, like currencies that you can now eventually sell. And somebody say, Mr. Mayowa, what are the assets? There are various asset class. I play in the real estate, where we have the Wealth Gate community, a platform where we want to raise 1,000 billionaires in the next 10 years, and we've started already.
Are your financial goals just out of reach? What if you had access to a community that provides strategic investment opportunities in crypto, stocks, and real estate? Welcome to Wealth Gate, where your aspiration of building substantial net worth become achievable. Imagine the power of making informed investment decisions with the backing of expert advice and a supportive network. At WealthGate, we offer exclusive opportunities to invest in high growth potential assets. Whether it's the latest in crypto, promising stocks, or lucrative real estate, we provide the insights you need to thrive. Step into a future where your investments are working for you, steadily building your net worth. Join a community committed to your financial success and transform your wealth building aspirations into tangible achievements. With WealthGate, you're not just investing, you're creating a legacy of financial prosperity. Start your journey today and unlock the full potential of your investments. Call the numbers showing on your screen to get started.
So that system for me allows me to be able to buy real estate, through land banking and several others. So it is an asset class. It retains, real estate retains wealth, real estate maintains wealth. It fights against devaluation of currency, etc., inflation and all of that. So for me, real estate is an asset class that everyone must work in, especially through land banking. There is also stocks. You know, we have the likes of Warren Buffett that has shown that you can actually invest in stocks and become successful. There are also cryptocurrency. You can invest in cryptocurrency as a vehicle. Remember that it is accumulation of asset. Okay, so having gone through all of that, don't also forget that whenever you talk about wealth, you must honor the component called time. Time is always required. Even the Holy Book says that those that acquire wealth in a haste, they will lose it. Wealth always have a lot to do with time. So it means that you need to now project yourself. In 1977, Aliko Dangote took a loan from his brother of 500,000 naira. Guess what? In 2024, over 40 years after, he is worth 13 billion. Why? Because when he started acquiring assets. He started his manufacturing and he started investing. That is the same thing you need to do. As you make money from your as a visual artist, from you make money from your income, you must have a particular set of plan that you're going to be using to implement that will do the multiplier for you. So with that is what you need to do. So let me give a case study. Let's say your what you make every month is 250,000 naira. Let's say it's an average of 200. You make an average of $500 every single month. You will become deliberate to say, I want to invest $50 to $100 every single month for my future, because that will allow you to be able to resign, stop working early. So a fraction of your income every single month deliberately. And I recommend you join the Wealth Gate community, because we meet every month. We recommend assets for you that can give you what you're looking for in the next 5 to 10 years. So if you're interested in Wealth Gate community, just call the number showing on the screen right now for Wealth Gate. The goal of Wealth Gate, like I said, is to raise 1,000 billionaires in the next 10 years. And guess what? Even if it is $100 you have monthly, even if it is $50 you have monthly, the beauty is that the time will do the multiplier for you. So all of this is what you now put in. So create a plan. I want to have 2 landed property in the next 5 years. Note the amount and start paying for it every single month. That is how to build wealth, and you're good to go. The last but not the least, which are ways to build wealth, is investing in businesses. You might not have to invest in your business. For example, Tony Enimelu started with Standard Trust and later bought over UBA. You see how it is right now. So you can start your own, buy more businesses, invest in more businesses to build wealth. So these are the patterns, systems, that you need to follow, and I guarantee you will become wealthy. Just join the Wealth Gate, call the office for Money Clinic section, so we can create a personalized pattern for you that you can repeat over and over again, that can take you there. Hope I've been able to answer your question. I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Don't forget, if you missed the Money Matters Summit 2024 training, you can call the number on the screen right now, or click on the link in the description below to get access to the recording, so you can watch again and again. Like I tell you, it's so powerful what we shared in there. Okay guys, I look forward to your success. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like, and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.